Before buying a carpet cleaner for pets, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many cleaners can promise the world, but they often fall short when it comes to tackling the toughest pet messes. Product number 1, Bissell Pet Pro Oxy. The Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator caught my eye right away. Priced at $22.99, it's positioned as a go-to formula for tough pet messes. If you want a solid solution for eliminating odors and stains, this is worth a serious look. What makes this cleaner stand out is its Oxy formula, which works wonders on embedded stains like urine and vomit, exactly what you need when dealing with pets. It permanently removes tough stains and even protects your carpets against future messes with its Stain Protect technology. This means you get not just a cleaner, but a long-term solution to keep your carpets looking fresh. With a solid rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 30,000 reviews, it's clear that many pet owners trust this product. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can save you costly carpet replacements and keep your home smelling fresh. Now, some people complained about the scent being too strong for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you're dealing with persistent odors, that added freshness might just be what you need to tackle those unpleasant smells. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets and struggle with stubborn stains. Skip this one if you're looking for something unscented or have very delicate carpets. For the price, it offers great value and results. Now, if the scent issue bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bissell Little Green Mini. The Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet Cleaner is a game changer for on-the-spot messes. At $99.99, it's a bit pricier but offers handy portability for tackling spills quickly. If you want a compact cleaner that can handle various surfaces, this is worth a serious look. It features a 4-inch tough stain tool, allowing you to spray, scrub, and suction away dirt and stains easily. Plus, it includes a HydroRinse self-cleaning tool, making maintenance simpler. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 9,000 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among pet owners. Here's why this matters for you. It's perfect for quick cleanups without dragging out your full-size cleaner. Now, some users noted that the water tank could be larger. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for small messes or on the go, the compact size makes it easy to store and handle, which can outweigh that inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a portable option for quick cleanups in your home or car. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty cleaner for an entire carpet. It's a solid investment for the convenience it brings. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling a variety of spills. Product number 3, Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose. Next up is the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet Cleaner, also priced at $99.99. What stood out to me is that it's America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning. If you want something truly powerful for various messes, this is worth a serious look. It also features a large 48 Oz clean water tank, which means you can clean more without frequent refills. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 94,000 reviews, it's a trusted choice. Here's why this matters for you. It not only cleans but prevents resoiling, helping maintain your carpets longer. Now, some users found the design a bit bulky for smaller spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about deep cleaning, the power and capacity may make it worth the trade-off in size. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets and need something that can handle heavy-duty messes. Skip this one if your space is cramped or you want something lighter. For its capabilities, it provides excellent value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something specifically for spot cleaning, the next product is a great alternative. Product number 4, Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Formula. The Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Formula is a lifesaver for quick cleanups, priced at just $10.99. It's designed for portable carpet cleaners, making it an easy addition to your cleaning arsenal. If you want an effective spot cleaner for pet stains, this is worth a serious look. This formula instantly tackles tough stains like red wine, coffee, and of course, pet messes. With a 4.8-star rating from over 11,800 reviews, it's highly regarded. What's impressive is its built-in Stain Protect technology, which helps shield your carpet fibers from future stains. Here's why this matters for you. Having a reliable spot cleaner means you can act fast and prevent lasting damage to your carpets. Now, some customers mentioned it wasn't as effective on older stains. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and effective solution for immediate stains. Skip this one if you're dealing with long-standing issues that need more intensive treatment. It's a great value for quick fixes. Now, if you're looking for a more specialized cleaner, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 5, Rocco & Roxy Supply Co. Stain and Odor Eliminator. Finally, there's the Rocco & Roxy Supply Co. Stain and Strong Odor Eliminator, priced at $23.92. This one really focuses on heavy-duty cleaning. If you're facing persistent odors and stains, this is worth a serious look. This enzyme cleaner is certified safe for use around pets and kids, which is reassuring for families. With a strong 4.4-star rating from over 126,800 reviews, it's popular for a reason. What matters here is its effectiveness on tough stains and odors, helping to restore your carpets. Now, some users found it needed a little elbow grease for tough spots. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in a bit of effort, the results are well worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful cleaner for tough pet messes. Skip this one if you prefer something that requires minimal scrubbing. Given its strength, it's a solid value for serious cleaning needs. So to recap, we started with the Bissell Pet Pro Oxy, perfect for tough stains and odors. Then we checked out the Bissell Little Green Mini, your portable solution for quick cleanups. Next was the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose, a powerhouse for heavy-duty messes. After that, we looked at the Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Formula, ideal for immediate stains. And we wrapped up with the Rocco & Roxy Supply Co. Cleaner for those stubborn odors. Each one has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.